Mining can be hazardous, but why take unnecessary risks? When coal dust and water was clogging critical underground conveyors in the West Virginia coal fields, the engineers called in AESSEAL. Working with Warwood Armature's specialist team, we found that the double lip seals on the Sumitomo and Falk gearboxes on the main belt lines were regularly failing after a few months. Oil leaks and shaft wear were causing bearing failure, with the possibility of costly fines for safety violations. In addition to unwelcome downtime, gearbox rebuilds were costing up to $28,000 per repair. AESSEAL recommended fitting its high-performance Labtecta bearing protectors, which allow the bearing housing to breathe when the shaft is rotating, but seal when the shaft stops. This advanced labyrinth design is non-contacting and does not wear the equipment's shaft. A little tender loving care for the bearings raised the mean time between failure from months to years. If you want to keep your bearings, the safety team and customers happy, call AESSEAL.